Now, we are going to calculate one-way hashes using a hash calculator. Hash calculator enables to compute a multiple hashes like HMAC, files, text, hexa string. It supports a secure hash algorithm family like MD2, MD4, MD5, SHA1, SHA2. Uh, like in the SHA2, like the SHA256, SHA384, SHA512, right MD160, Panama, Tiger, CRC32, ALDA32. There are multiple functions. It's there over there. Now, we would like to look that. I would like to go in this. Let me just made as little bit big to just open in the. I would like to go to in cryptography, MD5, MD6, hash algorithms. So I would like to set up this just hash calculator. Click on next, next. Okay, create a desktop icon. This is hash uh, algorithm. So you just click test string, hexa string. You just need to put as a text string. If you want to put a test string, you just need to put here as Pentest Club. You just need to get as MD5, MD4, SHA256, SHA384, SHA512, Panama, Tiger, MD2, ALDA32, electronic donkey. Now you just click on calculate this. So you just need to click on this copy. So this type of one is very easy to crack this password. Like I can show you here. Go to here. I just put here as a crack station. Let's see, just go to here as crack station. Let's just paste it here. Let's click on this. So I bring MD5. Okay. So let it verify this. Cannot recapture. Check your internet. My internet is very good. So sometimes it may can give uh, error. Let's try this. Cards. So it's easy way to uh, crack this type of passwords. And once you look here as uh, this ones, you cannot able to crack this and all. Then try to verify. It is verified. Now try to crack the hashes. So it shows an unknown. Now I would like to try this as without as unknown. Now I just put here as I just put here as password. Now I just try to go for a calculate. Now just copy. So because it's not as listed over there, just copy. Let's look here. So if it comes as red, it's unknown. Now we would like to try this one more time. Let me just resend this. So here is something is available. I just verify. I just paste this. Then I try to crack this hashes. Let's see here. You can see here perfectly it's matched for the hash. It's for MD5. Now, if you want to try this a SHA512, just copy that. Let's just paste it here. So it's came with this. Also, this maybe also can get, but that need to be matched exactly. Let's see what is the output we can get here. So now I just put here, then try to crack here. SHA512 is also a cracked in this case. So if you try as a Bitcoin one, as a one-shot algorithm that cannot able to decrypt it, so you just need to extract the right SHA512 algorithm. Then and only you can get it here. Otherwise, it's impossible to get it the hash SHA512 as MD5. Otherwise, XYZ things. It's impossible to exchange the data in that format. So in real time, the hash calculator tool is used to check the integrity of a file where the changes in the hash values indicate the file content has been modified. This concludes the demonstration of calculating a one-way hash and cracking with the hash calculator. That's it here.